My name is Bisal Dahal and my UN ID is 24812916. I have developed a smart health prediction system that helps users to identify possible health conditions based on the symptoms they have provided. Let me walk you through how the system works. Firstly, let's start the application. Here is the login screen, and as you can see, there are two types of we can log in two types of user: patient user who enters symptoms and receive health predictions, and administrator who can monitor system activity and health trends. Firstly, let me log in through admin. As I have successfully logged in through admin user, I am in admin dashboard, and in admin dashboard I can see button called view users, view predictions, view stats, and in dashboard I can also see that total number of users are 3, and I have done total 8 predictions, and the average risk level is moderate. That means the predictions overall the users have taken out and its average is moderate. Now let's view users. In user management system we can see that the table containing the information about users and their role exist for, and I can also search by the username or email. I can sort them as admin users and patient users as well, and I can also add new users to the admin dashboard. Now let's get back to dashboard, and in view stats I can set the date range from certain dates so that I can sort the users that have been created in a specific month, and I can also export the data into CSV. And in recent activity we can see that the the application shows the risk level and through colors. If the risk is very high it will be red, and if the risk is low it will be green. Now let's log in through one of the patient account. As I have successfully logged in through patient account, I am in patient dashboard. In patient dashboard I can see enter symptoms, view history, health tips, and logout button. Now let's enter some symptoms. Firstly I have to insert my age. For example, if I insert 25, male, fever, cough, and shortness of breath. I can also include some additional notes that I am having. For example, I can't sleep well. Yeah, in prediction result I see that the diagnosis report has been arrived. It says possible severe respiratory infections, risk level is high, and recommended treatment is also given, whereas the symptoms that I have given is also here. I can save these predictions, and I can also save it, export it as a txt file in my system. And now I can go back to the dashboard. Now let's go throughout the code, and as you can see there is an error in my run file. Regarding the error, it is appearing in my desktop. This is a Mac OS specific Objective C runtime warning, and it will not affect my Java application's functionality. It's likely coming from a system library and can be ignored safely. Now I would like to explain how the algorithm works. Um, as you can see, the system starts by looking at the symptom of a patient that enters. It doesn't just look at the each symptoms on its own, it checks how they are combined. For example, if someone reports having both fever and cough, and the system tries to understand what the combination could mean. If shortness of breath is also reported along with the system knows it could be more serious, like a severe respiratory infection. Next, the system checks how serious the situation is. It does this by looking at how intense or dangerous the symptoms are, how long they have lasted, and also considers the patient's age, which is must, and health history. Based on all this, it assigns a risk level low, moderate, or high. If someone is older and having strong symptoms, they might be given a risk status. Now let's go throughout the core system components. This is login controller. This code verifies login credentials, starts a session, and loads the appropriate dashboard. The same logic will be for both admin and patient. As you can see, the code is clear. Now let's go back to prediction engine. This section of code analyzes the systems and returns the predictions, including the risk level, suggestion treatments. Here's how that looks in the applications. Once the prediction is made, the result is shown. Result is shown, and prediction result controller. In prediction result controller, we can see the output will include something like identified condition, risk level, recommended treatment, and symptoms listed clearly. Admin features. Now let's look at how the admin dashboard calculates and displays system states. This controller calculates total for users prediction and as average risk level, and database integration is also done. So let's go throughout the database integration. This code handles the connection with MySQL database, and it ensures fast, secure data transaction. For deeper insights, we use a specific query in static controller Java. Yeah, this query counts how many predictions fall under each unit under risk category, helping us monitor health trends across the users. It's visualized in admin dashboard. Some key technical features that includes the smart health prediction system has several important technique features. It uses secure password hashing with SHA-256 to protect user data. The system includes session-based access control, which helps to keep the platform safe and private. The user interface is built using JavaFX, making it more responsive and easy to use. It also connects to a MySQL database in real time, allowing smooth data interaction. The system is designed using a modular MVC module view controller architecture, which keeps the code organized and easy to maintain. Now, lastly, in conclusion, the Smart Health Prediction System offers accurate predictions about health risk. It gives users a secure and user-friendly experience. The system can monitor and report in real time, and it has a strong backend with good admin controls. Thank you for watching.